Colombia is on the brink of finalizing one of the most significant military acquisitions in its history, a $1.9 billion deal with Sweden's Saab group to purchase state-of-the-art Gripen E multirole fighter jets. The move represents a historic turning point for the Colombian Air Force, FAC, which has long relied on its aging fleet of IAI-KFIR jets, first acquired more than 3 decades ago. With the KFIRs nearing the end of their operational lifespan and maintenance costs soaring, the need for a modern, reliable, and technologically advanced replacement has become urgent. The Gripen E, renowned for its agility, versatility, and cost-effective maintenance, has emerged as the clear choice after a long evaluation process that also considered France's Dassault Rafale and the US Lockheed Martin F-16. Sources close to Colombia's Ministry of Defense have confirmed that the government is in the final phase of negotiations, with official approval expected soon. Once the agreement is signed, it will not only mark the country's most ambitious defense procurement in recent memory but also set the tone for a new era of regional military modernization. The Gripen E offers a blend of cutting-edge technologies, including an AESA, active electronically scanned array, radar, an advanced electronic warfare suite, sensor fusion capabilities, and long-range weapon compatibility. These features will significantly enhance Colombia's ability to conduct air defense, surveillance, and multi-role operations, allowing it to respond more effectively to both conventional and asymmetric threats. One of the standout aspects of the Saab offer is its emphasis on industrial collaboration and technology transfer. Saab has proposed to integrate Colombian companies and engineers into the maintenance, assembly, and technical support processes, helping the nation build local expertise and reduce dependency on foreign maintenance contracts. This approach mirrors the industrial model already established between Saab and Brazil under its Gripen E program, which successfully incorporated local industries into the production and support chain. Such a partnership would not only boost Colombia's aerospace industry but also create new high-tech job opportunities and stimulate economic growth in the defense sector. The acquisition also aligns with Colombia's long-term defense strategy, which seeks to modernize its military forces and enhance interoperability with NATO and regional allies. Since being recognized as a NATO global partner in 2018, Colombia has aimed to align its operational standards with those of advanced Western militaries. The Gripen E's versatility and proven integration with NATO systems make it an ideal platform for this objective, improving the country's participation in multinational exercises, intelligence sharing initiatives, and counter-terrorism operations. Colombian defense officials argue that the modernization is not just about prestige, but about ensuring national sovereignty and regional stability. As neighboring nations like Brazil, Chile, and Argentina continue to upgrade their defense capabilities, Colombia's acquisition of the Gripen E ensures it maintains a strong deterrent posture and preserves its air superiority. The advanced jet's ability to operate from short runways, use a variety of weapon systems, and adapt to both defensive and offensive missions provides the Colombian Air Force with unprecedented flexibility. Despite widespread enthusiasm in defense circles, some political and civil voices have expressed skepticism over the cost, arguing that the nearly $2 billion investment could be better spent on social welfare, education, or infrastructure. However, military strategists have countered that investing in modern air defense is vital for national security, border protection, and counter-narcotics operations, all of which remain central to Colombia's security agenda. The Gripen's lower operating costs compared to other Western fighters also make it a more sustainable long-term investment. Once finalized, initial deliveries of the Gripen E are expected to begin within 3 to 4 years, with the full fleet operational by the early 2030s. Training programs for Colombian pilots and technicians are expected to take place in Sweden, followed by local training initiatives in cooperation with Saab engineers. The agreement is anticipated to include logistic support, simulator systems, and weapon packages tailored to Colombia's operational needs. If approved, this deal will not only redefine Colombia's air defense capabilities but also reinforce its role as a strategic defense partner in Latin America. The Gripen E acquisition symbolizes Colombia's readiness to enter a new era of military strength, innovation, and self-reliance, a step that reflects both its national aspirations and its growing influence in regional security affairs. As Bogotá prepares to sign the contract, the $1.9 billion deal stands as a testament to Colombia's determination to secure its skies, strengthen its defense industry, and confidently position itself among the leading air powers of the region for the decades ahead.